In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the phone number a compulsory field during checkout on Shopify. This is a simple process that ensures you have all the necessary contact information from your customers for efficient order processing and delivery. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. On the left-hand side of your screen, there's a panel with various options. What you're looking for is the Settings menu. Clicking on this will give you access to a wide range of settings, but today, our focus is on adjusting the checkout process. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for and click on the Checkout option. This is where you can customize how your customers complete their purchases on your store. Under the Checkout options, you'll find several sections that control different aspects of the checkout experience. For our goal today, you need to scroll until you find the section labeled Shipping Address Phone Number. Within this section, there are usually three options: Don't Include, Optional, and Required. Since we want to make the phone number a compulsory part of the customer's checkout information, go ahead and select the Required option. This ensures that customers must enter a valid phone number before they can complete their purchase, leaving no room for missed connections or delivery hiccups. Once you've selected Required, it's crucial not to forget the important next step: clicking Save. Save. At the top or bottom of the page, you'll notice the Save button. Give it a click to ensure all changes are applied and remembered. Now, you have successfully made the phone number a necessary part of the checkout process on your Shopify store. And just like that, you're all set. Implementing this requirement can greatly enhance your customer service capabilities and streamline communication. Having a phone number on file not only helps for delivering orders, but can also be instrumental in resolving any issues quickly, whether it be last-minute delivery instructions or any follow-up that might be needed. If you encounter any issues or have further questions about tailoring your store's checkout settings, Shopify's support guides can be an excellent resource, and their community forum is full of knowledgeable users who may have faced similar queries. Experimenting with your settings can initially seem daunting, but remember that each tweak is a step toward providing a better shopping experience for your customers. So, there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to ensure you gather essential contact information at checkout, which can help enhance both your and your customers' experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes it a breeze to run a more efficient online store. See you in the next video.